Hello children, in e-learning class we are going to see standard 1 maths subject. Come let us see. Unit 1 geometry. So comparison, they are given keywords. Let us see that. Top, bottom, inside, outside, on, under, above, below, near, far, big, small. Children, all these keywords have learned in UKG itself. In first standard, we will see in detail. Okay. Using these keywords, they have make a rhymes. Let us sing rhythmically. Sit, 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 sit inside the class. Jump, 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 jump on the floor. Crawl, 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 crawl under the table. Go, 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 go far from the table. Come, 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 come near the board. Play, 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 play outside the class. Children, these rhymes have to practice in your home, okay? Get memorized. Children, let us see next page. Here they are given top, bottom. Let us see what it is. The blue color book is at the top. Show me where it is. It is at the top. The red color book is at the bottom. Show me red color book. Yes, it is at the bottom. So top means blue color book is at the top. Bottom means down. So red color book is at the bottom. So top, bottom. Next, practice. Tick the boy at the bottom of the slide. Show me which is bottom. This or this? Yes, correct. This is bottom. Come to next. Tick the pot at the top. Show me which pot is at the top. Yes, this is at the top. This is bottom. Top means this is top. Okay. Next. Try this. How will you arrange this item inside the bag? Why? Children, you will have these items in your home. Okay. So take any bag and arrange it. And you have to say why. Okay. Children, I am showing some cubes. See this. One, yellow, pink and green. Okay. Now I am asking you. You have to answer. Okay. Which color is at the bottom? Yes, yellow color is at the bottom. Which color is at the top? Yes, very good. Green color is at the top. Do you understand the difference between top and bottom? Yes, very good. Come, let us go for next. Inside, outside. Children, do you know the difference between inside and outside? See, papaya has its seed inside. So papaya seed is inside. Do you notice? So seed is inside and the fruit is at the outside. Okay. So papaya has its seed inside. Next, cashew has its nut outside. Show me where its nuts. See, here, here, here. So it is outside. Inside means it will be inside. Outside means it will be out. Okay. Come practice. Take the dog inside the kennel. Children, see which dog is inside. This dog or this dog? Yes, very good. This dog is inside the kennel. Next, circle the outside the nest. Circle the bird outside the nest. Which bird is outside? This bird or this bird? Yes, very good. This bird is outside the nest. Okay. Do you know the difference between inside means it will be inside, outside means it will be outside. Students, try this. Where will you play these games? Why? You have to say the reason. Okay. So football, where you will play? Yeah, you will play on the ground. Okay. Because it is a football, you will play on the ground. Okay. Come to next. What is this? This is carom board. Where you will play? Inside. That is, you have to play inside in your home. So outside means you will play this game on the ground. So outside. So you will play this game in the house. So inside. Okay. So carom board means you have to play in that board. So inside the house. So you will play this outside on the ground. Okay. Do you know the difference? Yes, very good. Okay students. Now I am showing one cube. Okay. Okay, let us take pink color. Okay, I am showing pink color box. This is cube. See children, you have to say pencil is where you are. You have to say where the pencil is. Okay. You have to say. So the pencil is inside the box. The pencil is inside the box. Okay. Do you know the difference? It is inside. Next. I am keeping where it is outside. So the pencil is outside. If it is inside means, if it is in means, you have to say inside the box. If it is outside means, it is outside the box. Do you know the difference? Yes, very good. Okay children. Now I have taught top, bottom. Now I have taught top, bottom, inside, outside. Okay. So children, please practice it in your home. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe. Thank you.